Hello, you are riding with me today. I am going on an adventure. I'm going to my local zoo. Did you know that the zoo may offer free compost? And the compost that they offer is amazing. So, my friend turned me on to it last year. She actually got it, and her garden is absolutely flourishing. It is gorgeous. She has more food than she could possibly eat. Everything is successful in this stuff. So you saw the sign pulling up to the Jacksonville Zoo. This is out, it's right on the outskirts, so it takes, it takes a while to cook the compost. Therefore, it's only available here about twice a year. So you have to actually see if they offer the program, for one. Call them. It's like the horticulture department. Call them. They'll give you about around the time, because they said February, and lo and behold, it was available in February in my area. See over here, that might be some of the compost that's cooking. It does certainly look like it might be. But not for sure. And they have been giving it for about a week, and they say this is the last of the batch. So the catch is, it's free. Take as much as you want. However, I don't like to get other people. I'll blur him out. Get the sign. Free compost. Load it yourself. So, I am going to give you a few techniques on how you can get, you can even if you have a car, you bring your own shovel, or they have probably some that people left previously. But you bring your own shovel, and scoop it yourself. So, this is my third trip, mind you. And third and final trip. So I just wanted to bring you along while I got my cameraman with me. Is it recording me?
Nope, it's not recording sound. Because you didn't plug in the microphone, but I'm not going to tell you that.
Here. Oh, Lord.
That's you. What's the point of having the buckets? What? What's the point of having the buckets?
All the buckets full. To stand the bag up. You want to hold the bag?
No.
So I want to throw dirt on you?
No.
Okay.
So up until the next two. Next one.
Be smiling.
That falls over, you clean it up. Are you kidding me?
Leaving the zoo. So many ways to load that up into the car. You got the sound this time?
Yes.
Okay. As you see, I saved my garden bags and use those to transport. I mean, if you have a car, I saw someone with a camera loading it into their grow bags and loading the car down. But if you have an empty trunk, you can line it with a piece of tarp and load up the tarp in the trunk. I mean, it's many ways to transport. Since I'm kind of a wild driver, I wouldn't dare just put it on some tarp. I would be covered in it, and the whole car would be covered in it because I can bend some corners and it'll be all over the place. So I hope I gave you a little tip. Good luck checking with your local zoo and determining whether or not they do or do not have this available. And thank you for watching. If you like what you've seen and want more cheap and frugal gardening tips, please like, comment, subscribe, share, and all of that good jazz. See you next time on the Lazy HOA Gardener. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.